Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to unmute a group notification on Facebook using your PC with the new update. So let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook account on your computer. Once you're logged in, head over to the left side of your newsfeed and click on Groups. Next, select your groups to see a list of all the groups you're a part of. Find the group you want to unmute notifications for, and click on the three dots located right under its name. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click on Manage Notifications. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust your notification settings for that specific group. Now, switch all the notification options from off to another option that suits your preferences. Make sure to enable Member Request Notifications so you stay updated on any new member requests for the group. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted group notifications for that specific group on Facebook using your PC. Now you can stay connected and up to date with all the latest updates and discussions happening within the group. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.